Hello, this is Katie with Mechatronics and Programming for Industry 4.0. Right now we're doing some Python in Sublime editor, and the purpose of this code is to assign a address to a PLC tag name. So let's go through it here. We're using Sublime, but because Sublime doesn't allow for user inputs, we're also using Windows command prompt. So here I've got some functions. These are basically just combining two things. So with a normal PLC address, like for Siemens, for example, it's I0.1 through 9 or 0 through 9. And when you want to use something like that, and we're going to manipulate the value, the number value, that's an integer with a string, so we have to combine them, otherwise Python doesn't play nice with manipulating that value. So here we've got the new address, combines the tag and value to create a manipulative address. So basically we're just combining the two together whenever you use address or new address, and then it returns the value. And then tag address is to print out the combination of tag name and PLC address, and we have it doing the same exact thing. So the print value is just a little more fluff, assigning input addresses to PLC tags since we are using I for input. And then we've got some starting values here. Value is 0, and then PLC address is going to be the string of I0 period. We have a while loop here, and we have tag name is going to be our input, and then we have the input stating please enter your tag name, and then we have the value. Whenever you enter in a new input, the value starting at 0 goes up 1, so it adds 1. And we have an if statement nested in here. If the value is greater than or equal to 10, it will change the address string to I1 period. And then the value will reset back to 0, so it'll go through 0 through 9. Then we have another elif here. If we enter in quit, the program will print out that the input address assignment is complete, transferring to the PLC, done. And then we have a else statement here. If we enter in a tag name and we don't enter in quit, we have the hold address, which will be the function for new address, which was up in our function here for PLC address and value, so it'll combine those two together. And then we have a print statement stating the address for tag name is now whole address. So here we are over here. We located our Python program here, and as you can see, we have assign input address to PLC tags. Please enter your tag name. So we're going to enter in sensor 1. Oh, sensor 1. Typing with one hand here. We press enter, and as you can see, the address for sensor 1 is now I0.1, and then it loops again because it's a while statement, so it will keep going. So let's say pump 2, pump 2 is now IO2, photo I is now 3, so on and so forth. And then if you put in quit, input address assignment complete, transferring to PLC, done. Obviously, it's not transferring to a PLC. That'll probably be later, though.